Hey there, Cougars. I am student meteorologist Shane Brown, welcoming you back to another edition of our KeanCast forecast. Let's start out like we do any week with a look at our weather headlines. We are going to start off mild. Not hot, not humid, but a very seasonable mild, as we'll see temperatures in the beginning of our week in the mid to upper 70s. Look for showers to move in for your Saturday. Don't look for a big rain event. Maybe hit and miss showers, here and there. Nothing to be very concerned about. But the big weather story of our week is this comfortable change that will be coming our way as we head into the beginning of next week. We'll get to more on that in a bit. Let's start by taking a look at our almanac numbers, September 13th through the 19th, 2007. Our normal highs will be ranging around 75, and our normal lows are bottoming out around 60 degrees. For your records, it's back in 1991, we had a record high of 95 degrees, and we have to go all the way back to 1950 to find the record low of 44 degrees. Now, we will be nowhere near approaching any of those records this week. As for record rainfall, 2.1 inches fell back in 1996. Taking a look at your afternoon highs, you can see where the cool air will be filtering in for the week, as the Great Lakes and the Northeast will be comfortable in the 60s and the 70s. Do you want to see where the real heat is? Head down to the desert Southwest, where they will be experiencing temperatures in the triple digits for about the umpteenth week in a row. Taking a look at your morning lows, if you're heading out for that early morning jog, you're probably going to want to take a windbreaker or a jacket with you, as we will be in the 50s, pretty chilly and nippy for this time of the year. Again, the message this week, we just have to get through the week. We're going to have a low pressure system in association with a cold front that will be pushing through our area on Thursday, Friday, and leading into Saturday. So for Thursday and Friday, we'll be in the warm sector of the storm. Not hot or humid, just reasonable temperatures into the 70s. Some showers will form along that front for Saturday, but don't look for a big event. They'll be quickly dissipated by this cool, dry air in association with a very strong high-pressure system that will help boot all of this out to sea and give us a very, very welcome change in our temperature and our humidity. And this will be, again, happening through our region. This will be coming Sunday and last for the beginning of the week. Heading to the beach, here's the sure thing for your beach forecast this weekend. Maybe you're heading up to Sandy Hook to see that Manhattan skyline. For your Saturday, look for about a 30% chance of rain, not a big washout, so it may not affect your beach plans. But Sunday looks like a beautiful day to head out to the beach if you would like to, where temperatures will be in the low 70s, it'll be sunny, and of course the surf temperatures this year, very reasonable in the upper 70s. Pretty much copy and paste that down for Cape May. Again, Sunday does look like your best bet if you want to head to the coastline. Here's your wacky weather for the week. If you are a summer lover, I recommend you look away because there are some painful words that are associated with this wacky weather. This is September 13th through the 15th, 1982 in Lander, Wyoming. A snowstorm, over Wyoming produced 17 inches, a record for September. Again, it set all kinds of records, including a 24-hour record for Lander, Wyoming. That just goes to show you how wacky of a month September can be. Stepping out a second for your weather photo of the week. This is from Biscayne Bay National Park down in Biscayne Bay, Florida. And this shows a picture of a waterspout, which is pretty much a tornado which forms on land or over the water, and then, of course, moves over into the water. It does form on land. Can't get enough KeanCast? I sure know I can't. So, just like your favorite fast food, KeanCast is now available on the go. Take your internet-enabled device and head over to hurry.kean.edu/KeanCast, and you can get your 7-day and more on the go. Have any questions or comments? Maybe even a picture of the week or just a shout out? Email them over to us at KeanCast@Kean.edu. Again, that is KeanCast@Kean.edu. We will display your pictures. We'd love to display your pictures, on our KeanCast. And if you have any general weather questions, we would get back to you as soon as humanly possible. Taking a look at your 7-day KeanCast, Thursday looks like a beautiful day if you want to get out and do anything. We look for sunny skies and highs topping out around 75 degrees. Friday, look for some increasing clouds. That's ahead of our system for the weekend. And look for highs to be generally in the upper 70s. For Saturday, that's when our big rainmaker, well, I shouldn't say big rainmaker, that's when our big front will be coming through, and it'll be a very slight chance of rain. We'll call it 30%. Highs around 74. But here's the real weather story again. Sunday, Monday, and Tuesday, look for highs to be in the low 70s, very low humidity, and ample sunshine. And Wednesday, of course, we are going to look for another system to be heading in for our region, which could give us another shot of cooler, drier air. That's going to do it for KeanCast this week. I'm student meteorologist Shane Brown, wishing you the best week you ever had.